Hello. I am glad to welcome you for another video today on my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ode and I'm glad to bring that video into your home today. Well, as you can see here, I am in my kitchen, and if I'm in the kitchen, something must be cooking. So today's video, it's actually going to be my first pass at trying to make some fried rice. So I am not an expert. I've eaten countless of fried rice. I know how they taste. So I am going to try a simple recipe, and I'm going to make some shrimp fried rice. So hopefully it comes out well. So again, I'm trying some fried rice today, and we're going to see how this is going to come out. I'm so excited to get to share this with you guys. Bear with me. Again, it's my first time making it, so I'm just going to try a simple recipe. I'm going to need some shrimp, some onions, some veggies, and green onions as well. Again, eggs, soy sauce, you know, the typical stuff that you need to use to make fried rice. I am going to list all the ingredients that I will be using in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out and see everything that I use, and I'm happy to share that with you, and you may, use that at home as well. So thank you again for taking the time and watch this video. Let's get this thing started. So we're going to start by seasoning the shrimp, and for this I'm going to use my special seasoning, some lemon, some garlic, and some Maggie and some seasoned powder as well. So just follow along with me to see how I prepare the shrimp, and I'm not going to talk much on this video, so just follow along with me. So I am done making the fried rice. I am pleased to announce that it was a success. Oh my god, I did not even have all the ingredients based on the recipe that I was using. They had sesame oil, they have all kind of oil that I didn't have. I only used olive oil, but I'm happy to report that, oh my god, I love it. There was so much flavor in there. I am so glad that I used my Haitian seasoning to season the shrimp, and the leftover seasoning that was left, I used it to actually put some to season the onion and the green onions that I cut. So oh my god, I love it so much, and it's like spicy, a hint of spicy, all a bunch of flavors. Oh my god, my mouth is on fire. So I'm really glad that it was a success today. So you're welcome to use this recipe. I did not follow everything that they said online on the recipe, so I made it my own. So you're welcome to use mine and make it your own as well. So I am really glad that I get to experience that with you, and I really look forward to do it again. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and you're welcome to share it with anyone that is interested in doing something like that. All right, bye, see you next time.